Hi, I'm Elvis Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to be making an Italian-style macaroni and cheese. Okay, next up, we cut the asparagus. Made sure, like I said before, you take these tips off. It's about like right here. It's a woody flavor. You don't want it in your pasta. It's not going to taste that good. So I had the spears. I went ahead and cut them in half so they're easier to work with in this dish. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. We're going to add that to our fennel and garlic. If you lose one, it's okay. You can always put it back, right? And give that like a little bit of a stir. Now, you know, like I said before about the butter and the olive oil, sometimes it's going to evaporate up when you're cooking. Depends on how fast you're cooking this and how al dente you want this asparagus and stuff. But, you know, the asparagus is going to take like a minute to cook down. Olive oil, it's not bad for you. You could just use like maybe like another tablespoon. Just kind of keep the olive oil on the side of you. Make sure that asparagus is covered in that oil so everything just cooks evenly. Whenever you get it coated, try to straighten it out as much as you can where everything is just getting cooked. You want it all like on the bottom of that skillet, heating right up. Go ahead and let this saute down until your asparagus is a little soft, you know, al dente, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step.